Nice meeting you. Sunday, January something. We're at the Oratorio, and it's Animal Blessing Day. And I brought Mimi here. I was expecting to see a lot more goats and horses and things, but I don't know where they are. But I think there's something happening with Mimi. And of course, I brought Mimi with me. Mimi. Here's Mimi. Mimi, say hi. This is your day. This is your day, Mimi. Look at the cover. Poquito lindo. Joyce stayed home waiting for Kathleen to arrive. And let's see what's happening. Hey, Mimi. Look at the camera. What's happening here? Hey? What's happening? Look, Mimi, some dogs. There's a big kind of Mimi. Oh, look at that. Nice puppy.
You've got a good ride. You've got a good ride. Yes, you do. You've got a good ride.
And who's this?
This is Taz.
Taz. Hi,
Yes.
Taz. What breed is he?
Shih Tzu.
Shih Tzu?
And yours?
Well, we just found out that Mimi is a Havanese.
Really?
A Bichon Havanese.
Oh my goodness.
So there are a few dogs here and there, quite a few dogs actually, maybe there's 100 dogs or so. And Mimi, as you can see, has no interest whatsoever in what's going on. And I spoke to a few ladies with dogs, and, but I expected to see more donkeys and goats and snakes and turtles and things, but not very exciting. Apparently there was something going on at the parroquia this morning, but we were there from 10 to 11:30 or so, and there was nothing going on. And then someone said everything was going to happen here. So, anyways, this is what's happening. Talk to you soon. Bye. A ver las tortugas. Qué bonito, son grandes, ¿no?
Sí.
¿Cómo se llaman?
Pues no
¿Tienen nombre? ¿Cuánto hace que las tiene?
como un año.
¿Un año? Qué bien.
Hasta hay una chiquita, mi nieto. Una
¿sí?
tortuga chiquita del niño.
Ahí hay una tortuguita chiquita. Una tortuguita.
Ya lo saqué. Me lo acabo de meter. Contigo ya tiene miedo. Ya sale.
It's a little rabbit. Un conejito. And a parrot. ¿Cómo se llama la cotorra?
Piccolo.
¿Piccolo?
Ay, ¿sacarlo?
¿La vas a sacar? Oh, a ver.
Vente. Uy.
Oh, qué bonita. Piccolo se llama.
¿Puedo sacar
¿Y el conejo?
el conejito?
¿Cómo se llama el conejo?
A ver tu colita.
¿Cómo se llama tu conejo, Ángel?
Leila. Ay, Leila. Ay, se llama un chiquito.
¿Leila?
Leila.
Good. So, forgot your name.
Roger.
Roger and me. Oh, Roger and I, or was it Roger and me? We're here. Roger's taking some shots.
Oh, it's video. Live video.
Yeah, and I hear a goat, so I'm gonna go check it out. Where's the goat? Oh, my God.
Those so cute.
Oh my God, little goat, Mimi. And a little sheep. Look at that little sheep. Who is that? There's the priest. There's the Padre. Let's see if we can get close to the Padre. Mimi, Mimi. Let's see if we can get close to the Padre, Mimi. Gracias, Padre. Well, as you saw, the Padre blessed Mimi. Even though, you know, what I think. But it was very emotional. I had some tears because of what happened to Mimi a couple of days ago. She's lucky to be alive. And, you know, he gave her a good soaking with blessed water.